Aloha, this is Brian Arkle, General Manager of ALSCO in Honolulu. We just completed a LED lighting retrofit with energy optimization services, and can tell you that we're really pleased with it. I've had several compliments about how the lighting has kind of re-energized the employees. One of the great advantages is the new lighting systems not just being more efficient, but they also provide a better, cleaner light. So when we look at our white linens and things like that, we can see the discrepancies because it's actually a sunlight appearance versus the old fluorescence. It's also improved the overall appearance of the plant, which has improved the overall health and well-being for all of our employees. They've all seemed to like it much better. It doesn't, the older lights used to make them kind of tired and sleepy, and now they don't have that feeling anymore. It kind of has energized the entire plant. Also seeing just overall advantages of in terms of safety, walking through the plant. All in all, everything has turned out really well for us.